Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to level up your English and sound more like a native speaker? Today, we're diving into some super common English words that almost everyone, and I mean everyone, gets wrong. Trust me, you're probably using at least one of these incorrectly, and fixing them will make a huge difference. Ready? Let's get started. First up, the classic mix-up. Less versus fewer. It seems simple, but it trips so many people up. Here's the golden rule. Use fewer for things you can count, and less for things you can't. For example, you have fewer coins in your pocket, not less coins, but you have less money in your bank account, because money is a concept you don't count individually like one money, two monies. Simple, right? So, next time you're at the grocery store, you should be in the 10 items or fewer lane, not the 10 items or less lane. Now you know. Alright, let's talk about nauseous versus nauseated. This one is a bit tricky. When you feel sick to your stomach, like you're about to throw up, you are nauseated. The word nauseous actually means something that causes nausea, so, a bumpy car ride can be nauseous, which then makes you feel nauseated. Saying I am nauseous technically means, you are making other people feel sick. While most people will understand what you mean in casual conversation, using nauseated is the more precise and correct term. It's a subtle difference that will definitely make you sound smarter. Okay, last one for today. And it's a big one. Literally, oh, this poor, abused word, literally means something that factually happened. It's not a word for emphasis. So, if you say, I literally died laughing, you should probably be a ghost. What you mean is, I figuratively died laughing, or simply, I was laughing so hard. When your friend says their head literally exploded from studying, you don't need to call an ambulance. They mean it figuratively. So, let's save literally for when things are well, literally true. For example, the temperature was literally below freezing. That's a fact. So there you have it. 3 common word mistakes you can fix today. Fewer versus, less nauseated versus, nauseous, and the proper use of literally. Start using these correctly, and you'll instantly sound more polished and articulate. Which of these were you guilty of using incorrectly? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more language tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.